How to delete YouTube link from TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a YouTube link from your TikTok profile. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the option labeled as Edit Profile. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the option labeled as Links. And once you tap on that, you'll see three options inside the links. So from there, simply tap on YouTube. And once you tap on it, a confirmation message will pop up. From there, simply tap on Confirm, and once you do that, the YouTube link will be removed from your TikTok profile. And that's it. That's how you can delete a YouTube link from TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.